Want that satisfying green bar showing your profile is at 100%? In this video, I'll break down what Upwork's profile completeness meter wants and how to max it out. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The Profile Strength Indicator is a guide to ensure you've provided all the information clients look for. A complete profile is a trustworthy profile. The key elements are a professional profile photo, a compelling title and overview, a detailed work history with descriptions, a portfolio with at least 3 items, and your verified identity. You also need to list your education and other experiences, and select at least 10 specialized skills. The more of these sections you fill out thoroughly, the higher your profile score will go. Upwork will show you a checklist right on your profile edit page. Work through each item until everyone is checked off. A crucial pro tip: go beyond the basics. For work history, don't just list your job title. Write 2 to 3 bullet points about your achievements and responsibilities. For your portfolio, write a case study for each item, not just a title. Depth matters. And just like that, you've built a comprehensive and client-ready profile. A 100% complete profile strength score builds instant credibility and trust. How long did it take you to get to 100% profile strength? Let us know in the comments. To build social proof, watch our next video on how to get client testimonials on Upwork. Thanks for watching.